I'm laughing. I can't stop. I got up here and I realized how kick-ass my ocean view my ocean view is from my fucking lanai. What the fuck? Look at that. So yeah, there's the coastline down there, and then blue all the way up to the horizon, which is like, well, my finger. It's probably too close to see. You can see it. I think it shows. It's my fucking ocean view. Oh, dude, so I couldn't stop laughing. I had to share. I'm on my lanai. It's my lanai. This is my kitchen. My house. My tin roof. Gonna help me collect water. I got the posts and I got the rails started. Let's see if it's locked or not. I'll have to get that diesel heater, yeah, because it's cold. It's chilly up here in the mornings, which is great, because then it warms up through the day. This is where the bed's going, the bedroom area. Good, they're keeping these are koa wood shelves. Made out of koa, so it's very nice. It's a nice shelf. Really nice shelf. And all this, I guess all that's gonna come down, or maybe we can put the door under that and leave that shelf there. That would be amazing to leave that shelf there and have the door, like I don't want that to come down. I want that to stay. I'll see if I can fight for that. That's my bathroom. I'm gonna have an indoor bathroom. Like city folk. It's been a while. I have been living pretty rustic for almost 5 years now. It'll be 5 years in November that I've been in that ohana. And it's fucking rustic. So it's gonna be really, really awesome to have a real house. That's pretty sweet. It's a sweet view. And here's my bathroom. Let's squeeze this. So we'll have a door here, somewhere on this wall, to get in to the bathroom. I have a washer dryer in here. It's cute. I want to paint my bathroom like silver, like shiny silver. I want it to be clean and crisp, bright. Yeah. So that's what's rattling in my brain for my bathroom. Fucking shiny silver. All right. Now that I'm done laughing at how amazing my fucking view is, now I can smoke a doob.